Hello, my dear students, welcome back. Today I will teach you science. I think you are having your book with you. Today we will revise from chapter 2, teeth and microbes. In our previous class, we have revised up to the tooth decay. We have discussed about tooth decay, how it happens, what does tooth decay cause, and we have also read about structure of a tooth. Today we will read care of teeth. How you should take care of your teeth. Care of teeth. So let us revise here. You should have your book with you, follow it. Teeth are very important part of our body. We always know teeth forms our important part. Why? Because teeth, we have read in the beginning, because teeth has many functions. Teeth gives shape to our face. Teeth help us to bite and chew the food. Teeth help us to speak clearly. Okay, so teeth forms an important part of our body. We must take care of our teeth to prevent tooth decay. So we must take care of our teeth to prevent tooth decay. We have also read in a previous class, tooth decay also very painful. What does it cause? It causes toothache, it causes foul smell from the mouth, it causes stomach disorders, it causes holes or cavities in the teeth, it causes loss of teeth, it causes bleeding gums. So what are the careful steps we should take for taking care of our teeth? Number one, we must brush our teeth at least twice a day. We must brush our teeth at least twice a day. You know, once in the morning and once at before going to bedtime, before going to bed at night. Number two, we should brush our tooth correctly as shown below. There is a picture here how you should brush your teeth correctly in the proper order. See, number one, I am reading, you just follow. Number one, outside surface of the upper teeth. Outside surface of the upper teeth, means upper jaw, upper teeth. We use a downward sweeping motion. Number two, inside surface of the upper teeth, use a downward sweeping motion. Number three, outside surface of lower teeth, use an upward sweeping motion. Next, inside surface of lower teeth, use an upward sweeping motion. Number 5, surface of premolars and molars, scrub back and forth. So you should scrub and back and forth the premolars and molars. This way is the correct method of brushing your teeth. Okay. Next point, how can you take care of your teeth? Next point is we should eat raw vegetables and fruits like carrots and apples to make our gums and teeth strong. Number 4, we should not eat too many sweets and chocolates, they spoil our teeth. Number 5, we should rinse our mouth properly with water after every meal. Yes, this is very important. We should rinse our mouth properly after every meal. Okay, after every meal we should rinse our mouth properly. Then next point, we should have milk and milk products daily. They have calcium that makes our teeth strong. Next, we must floss our teeth every day. We must floss our teeth every day. Next one, teeth that are not kept clean get covered with a yellow substance called tartar. So if your teeth does not keep your teeth clean, it gets covered with a yellow substance that is called tartar. Tartar only can be removed by a dentist. Yellow substance is from tartar. We should, and last of all, we should visit a dentist at least twice a year. So these are some of the points we should keep in mind for taking care of our teeth. Number 1, we must brush our teeth at least twice a day, once in the morning and one before going to bed. Number 2, we should brush our teeth correctly in proper method we should use for brushing our teeth. Then we should take raw vegetables and fruits in our diet, that is carrots and apples, to make our gums and teeth strong. Then we should not eat too many sweets and chocolates. They can spoil our teeth. Next is we should rinse our mouth properly after every meal. Then we should always have milk and milk products daily. They have calcium that makes our teeth strong. Then next we must floss our teeth every day. Okay, we must floss our teeth every day. Next is teeth that are not kept clean get covered with a yellow substance called tartar. So we must keep our teeth clean, otherwise there will be a yellow coating substance that is called tartar. This can be removed only by a dentist, and we should visit a dentist at least twice a year. Then coming to the next one, students, coming to the next point, multiple choice question. We will also discuss this one, multiple choice question, MCQs. Okay, first one, your options will be given. Number one, yellow substance that covers the teeth if they are not kept clean is called dentine, tartar or plaque. It is tartar. There is a yellow substance if you don't keep your teeth clean. Number two, sweets and chocolate dash our teeth. Sweets and chocolate dash our teeth. Spoil, make or clean. Sweets and chocolates spoil our teeth. Okay, it spoil our teeth. So we should not take too much sweets and chocolates. So students, today we have revised up to this much. Hope you are revising at home. You are learning your question answer. We have done already. We'll see you next class. Thank you.